Hello everybody, this is a Crosley 158 from 1933, and I'm going to do probably a partial restoration, clean it up, fix some of the veneer. Don't want to make it look too pretty. I want to keep some of its original patina. That way I don't have to do a full restoration on the external chassis, cabinet. Just make it look decent and stabilize it, and fix all the loose veneer, any wood that's coming apart, get that repaired, and make it presentable. And it does work the way it is now. It has a little bit of hum, so I'll be looking at that capacitor replacement. I took the knobs off and set them down here. I'll have to verify these are their correct original, because they're Bakelite. Gotta see. I believe it's Bakelite. So I can get a little light on the subject. Then there's an escutcheon that goes on here that says volume. Yeah, brass. I'll turn around, see what we got here. And it is a 7-tube radio. With the original speaker made by Magnavox. Yeah, unfortunately, this is a camera phone I'm using for this video here. Yeah, I guess I gotta turn this into get into the better light. And we gotta focus it. Normally I like to use my true video camera, but right now it's more convenient for me to do it this way. Use the camera phone. In case any of you are wondering, does a Samsung Galaxy prevail? Yeah, it does a good job for just, quick and dirty type videos to get the basic information through. Pull back a little bit. Normally I don't buy cathedral radios. I like tombstones better, especially Art Deco. But this one presented itself in an area. I'm here in Oregon, Eugene, Oregon. We don't have a whole lot of options for, unless we order, which I didn't feel like doing to this. So I found this one here. So okay, this looks like it'd be a pretty neat restoration. Some of the wood is broken off here. And maybe fill this in with something. It needs a little veneer work. It's original grill cloth. Overall, the rest of the cabinet is pretty good. Yeah, this would probably clean up fairly decent. We have some loose veneer here. I use a staple across here when it was new. So just to secure that, get the cabinet stabilized. And you probably see a little bit of flexing there. Get that repaired. And repair the loose veneer, and I think we'll have a pretty good running radio. This looks like it's all original cloth, and still cloth covered cord and everything. There's a tag in there. Some previous person we found a paper tag. Says New York, one town in New York State. That probably originally came out of that state. Back up here. Well, looks like it's a pretty good overview on the part 1 on this radio. And I think it'll clean up pretty nice. Let me see how far I'll go. Everything lights up, including the dial. And I didn't have an antenna on it, but you could barely make out that it's trying to receive some channels, so it's probably okay there. And we'll go from there. So once again, 1933 Crosley 158 radio.